Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and the Sport Appearance Package giving you some unique rims there and some unique cloth interior. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo, and the black sport cloth is a part of the Sport package. In the middle, you have two cup holders with a 12 volts USB and USB-C and 120 volt power outlet. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck info, towing information, navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. Favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Above that, you have your camera view again, as well as your hazards and your traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate and heated front seats so you can stay warm. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, and sport mode. And then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, we have a 12 volt, 120 volt power outlet, and this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have this cubby area here with a USB and USB-C. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have your main shifter with select shift so you can manually shift through your gears and can be collapsed out of the way for more open space here. Then you have two cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. And then looking back, last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.